In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make AI videos with OpenArt. We'll walk through the exact workflow from opening the site to generating your first clip, and I'll add practical tips along the way so each choice you make produces a cleaner result. First, open the OpenArt suite in your browser. You'll land on a home dashboard where all creation tools live. Make sure your connection is stable because previews and generations stream from the cloud, and a hiccup can slow things down. On the left sidebar, find the video section and click it. This takes you into the video workspace where you can create from text, references, or a mix of both. The layout is simple: controls on the left, a canvas or preview on the right, and generate actions at the bottom. Before you start typing prompts, take a second to understand start and end frame. These define the motion window the model will animate between. Think of them like bookends for the movement. Choosing clear, well-composed frames helps the model keep subjects stable and transitions smooth, especially for faces, hands, or fine textures. Next, select text with reference. This mode lets your written prompt drive the scene while a reference guides style and identity. It's ideal when you want consistency across shots or a specific art direction. When you provide a reference, aim for a crisp, well-lit image with a single main subject so the model locks on to what matters. Now, choose a model. Each model balances look, motion, and speed a little differently. If you want highly stylized visuals, pick the creative leaning option. If you care more about faithful motion and fewer artifacts, choose a more stable one. Skim the model notes to match your goal. In the fields provided, describe your video, add any sound effect, set the mode, and define the output. For the description, be concrete. Subject, action, setting, mood, and camera movement. For sound, pick effects that enhance what's on screen rather than compete with it. Mode usually toggles how strongly the model interprets your prompt or reference. Output controls things like resolution and aspect ratio. Choose settings that match where you'll publish. When everything looks good, click Generate. Your request will queue, process, and then display a preview. If something feels off, refine your description, adjust the mode or model, and generate again. With a few quick iterations, you'll land on a polished AI video that matches your vision.